There are those who live for doing everything new. New sights, new sensations, new experiences. Because new doesn't have limitations. It dares to be different, remarkably different. Like the all-new Lexus LS 500. We didn't merely try something new. We dared to craft an entirely new experience. A new high-performance platform for a ground-hugging center of gravity. New technology that anticipates your needs. New design inspiration for an extraordinary expression of luxury. All designed around the driver. The LS immerses you in available handcrafted elements never before realized in an automobile. From delicately etched Carico-cut glass and organic artwood trim to the available opulence of shiatsu massage seats, 4-zone climate concierge, and 28-way power-adjustable front seats. It also reinvents exhilaration with 2 sources of power. First, new twin turbochargers, crafted in-house to be among the world's most efficient turbochargers among production vehicles. But exhilaration isn't compromised for efficiency, as the engine delivers a massive 442 pound-feet of torque for powerful acceleration off the line, propelling you from 0 to 60 in just 4.6 seconds. Second, the new Lexus-exclusive multi-stage hybrid technology in the LS 500H delivers seamless acceleration and torque with super low emissions, giving you the direct, visceral feel of a high-performance vehicle with the efficiency of a hybrid. And with the LSF Sport with Performance package, you get razor-sharp handling and track-inspired design you can truly feel. With VDI-M, an available adaptive variable air suspension with 650 levels of real-time adjustability, it not only actively counteracts the G-forces generated by acceleration and tight cornering, but also raises and lowers the entire vehicle, welcoming each passenger as a guest. All this is complemented by available cutting-edge technology, such as one of the largest heads-up displays in the industry, a 2,400-watt, 23-speaker Quantum Logic immersion sound system by Mark Levinson, and the most sophisticated Lexus safety system ever, designed not only to automatically brake, but also actively steer. New is more than working with wood, leather, glass, and steel. It's crafting a feeling that's unexpected and unforgettable. The LS 500 is made of the new for those who live in the new.
What does it mean to live in the new? It's craftsmanship that defies limitations. New is having the refinement of an available executive package with class-leading rear seat reclining angle and right rear extendable ottoman. The extravagance of shiatsu massage seating with 7 individual settings. And crafting personalized comfort with 28-way adjustable front seats. And while it delivers the ultimate in relaxation, it's equal parts exhilaration. With the performance of a track-tested engine and a lower center of gravity for coupe-like handling that responds to your every command. All in one world-class sedan. The first ever Lexus LS 500, crafted for those who live in the new. The immersive richness of handcrafted details, available 23-speaker sound, and a full-color 24-inch heads-up display. The thrilling rush of a new 416 horsepower twin-turbo powertrain, or the most advanced Lexus multi-stage hybrid system, presenting the all-new Lexus LS 500 and LS 500H. Luxury performance that takes the crown. Experience amazing at your Lexus dealer.
Experience a blend of refined craftsmanship and raw power. New innovations and a tradition of excellence. Luxury and performance engineered to take the crown. Presenting the all-new Lexus LS 500 and LS 500H. Experience amazing at your Lexus dealer.
남들과 다른가? 자신에게 옳은가? 내일을 여는 빛이 되다. True visionary.